How to create an order fulfillment funnel chart in Excel. Funnel chart data requirements. You need one column of categorical data to create a funnel chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need one column of numerical data to create a funnel chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct a funnel chart with two data columns as follows. One column containing categorical data. One column containing numerical data. Important: funnel chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the left. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display an Office add-ins box. Click on ChartExpo add-in to select it. Search for funnel chart, also known as pyramid chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Funnel chart is created successfully. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Make sure you have turned on Show Property before you click the Apply button. Click on the Chart Bar Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Bar section. You can change the color of the bars. Click on the Chart Bar Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Text section. You can apply prefix and postfix to numbers. Click on the Font Style section. You can change font style of numbers. Click on the Axis Left Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Grid Lines section to show or hide the grid lines. Click on the Label Text section to show or hide the label text. Click on the Font Style section. You can apply font style to labels. Click on the Save Changes button. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PNG. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.